Beyond the vibrant costumes and lively performances of dancing contingents during the Sinulog Grand Parade, one of the most cherished highlights is the presence of the Higantes and puppeteers. Some of these designs take inspiration from iconic Christian symbols, while others showcase delightful characters from famous movies or reflect current trends. Over the years, however, fewer and fewer participants have taken part in this competition. Despite this, 17 years veteran Higantes maker Arnie Enjambre is determined to continue the legacy of his father, the renowned artist Arnulfo Enjambre Sr. Arnulfo Sr., beyond being a master at creating Higantes, was also a painter, sculptor, and traditional artist. According to Arnie, his love for his craft only deepened over time, especially as he sees it as a heartfelt offering to Señor Santo Niño. Like his father, Arnie has become a beloved figure in their community in Barrio Luz.
Dates 2008, 10, 12, duha ginayang daog. Pag 2008, first and second, 2010 is
2009 ni appeal siya.
2009, that was the time gatong na-feature siya sa ABS-CBN. Iyang artistry, actually, murag, it's naman sa nahugog sa bloodline na namo kay murag tanan nga kuan gikan sa iyang father into jack of all trades man pud to.
In his 17 years of making Higantes, Arnie's fondest memories are of the time he spent working side by side with his father from 2008 to 2014. In 2015, Arnie achieved a proud milestone when he won for the first time with his own Higantes entries. This year, Arnie plans to create and showcase Higantes inspired by the Blanca Regina Festival Queen, Two Worlds Intertwined, and Ferdinand Magellan. He estimates spending around 20,000 pesos for the materials for his 3 entries. With the unwavering support of his friends, family, and neighbors, Arnie remains hopeful for another win this year. Due to the size and weight of the Higantes, however, he shared that he needs at least 10 people to help carry them.
Asahon ni nako.
Sorry.
Kanang bugat slide. Pero imagine ni mo sir man maglangaw-langaw pabaya ka so bugat di siya
Na, bukat siya kung diri siya.
Naay ka ng support diri na.
Apart from using modern materials such as wires, styrofoam, and cardboard, Arnie also makes use of indigenous and recyclable materials. Arnie shared that one of the biggest challenges in making Higantes is dealing with unpredictable weather conditions.
Say struggles sa ingon ani nga artistry.
Kuan ra gyud, mostly climate ra gyud. Mao ra gyud na ang climate ra gyud ang kuan kay wala may espasyo kayo nga kuan. So once mag-uwan, hipos yun tanan. Oh, get inside, mag-paint na lang, paint ka sa naong, kamot, ana.
As he returns to participate in this year's Higantes competition, Arnie made it clear that he does not see it as a contest, but as a sincere gift and vow to the Holy Child.
What does it take or how do you become a puppeteer? How does one become a puppeteer?
Interest actually it's open for everybody. Yan nga kuan, artist enthusiast. When ni-join, happen nga ni-join akong papa, ni-join me, as in gaan, murag, although wala kay tug, pero ang kuan ba, imong energy lahi ra.
Katong si papa pa nimo murag.
Oo, gaan kay mong lawas, inig makahalad mi, just excitement.
Bugat siya mga kauban.
This is Eliza May Piñaranda for Sinulog 2025 sa 𝗦𝗶𝗶, Cebu.